Hey guys, Logan with Enduro Engineering, here to show you how to install our skid plate on the new KTM and Husqvarna 2023 4-stroke models. Okay, the first thing you can do is prep the skid plate to be able to put it on the bike. So there's a few steps that you're going to need to do. There's these spacers here, these aluminum spacers that you're going to need to insert into the rubber grommets. There's two different sizes, as you can see. There's a taller and a shorter one. The shorter ones are going to go up in the front, where the taller ones are going to go on the back. So just slide those through from the outside facing in. So again, the two smaller ones up front. And then you're going to take the two taller ones and put them in the back. Okay, and then the next step you're going to do is take this front mounting bracket and you're going to mount that on the front of the skid plate. So we've got the Enduro Engineering logo here. That's going to face outward, and then make sure it reads correctly. And then take two of the provided bolts, thread it through and then into the bracket here. And then again, make sure that Enduro Engineering logo faces the right direction. And then you're going to thread those through, and then you're going to go ahead and tighten those now before you put it on the bike. Just take an 8mm and tighten them up. Okay, now you're going to want to remove the plastic skid plate. So there's a bolt up here. On the exhaust side, it's going to be a little bit deeper in there, so you get a longer T-handle or an extension on your socket, but it's an 8mm. Just go ahead and remove that bolt. And then there's one adjacent to it on the other side. And then once you got the front two removed, remove these rear mounting bolts. Again, it's an 8mm. You've got them right underneath the foot peg here on both sides, so go ahead and remove both of those as well. Okay, so we offer a linkage guard as well here at Enduro Engineering that you can go along with the skid plate or run it without. But if you are one that wants to use one of our linkage guards here to block that linkage too that hangs down pretty far on the KTMs, before you put the skid plate on the bike is when you're going to want to add the linkage guard. So pull that out of the packaging and then install that before you install it onto the motorcycle, as you won't be able to once the skid plate's on. So just feed the bolt through, put the nut on the top, and then using an 8mm on the bolt and a 10 on the nut, go ahead and tighten both those down. Okay, now that you got the stock skid plate off, in your kit you've got some of this foam tape. You're going to want to stick the foam tape anywhere that the frame is going to be meeting the skid plate. So just measure out a piece, and then you can use some scissors to cut it, or you can just tear it. Then you can just peel the sticky backing off and stick it right to the frame. If you've got a frame that's dirty, take some contact cleaner and clean it off real good before trying to stick this. Even if it's a new bike like this one, maybe you want to do it just to get any chemicals off, but stick it anywhere the skid plate's going to come in contact, and you got the two frame rails and the one on the back. Okay, now we can take the skid plate, mount it up to the bike. So you're going to want to get this bracket up in behind the header pipe here. So just tip the skid plate forward like that to slide it up in there. And then using the same mounting holes that you use for the stock plastic skid plate, you're going to use for this Enduro Engineering one as well. So take two of the longer 6x30 bolts, and then probably going to be easier to start on the opposite side, but feed that through the hole, and then take one of the nylon lock nuts that's in the kit and put it on the back side of that bolt. Okay, we're leaving these front mounting bolts loose for now. That way we can rock the skid plate back to match up with the back mounts. So you may have to press on it just a little bit to get those metal spacers up into the recess of the frame. And then take the two last 6x25 bolts to thread into the frame. Okay, now we've got all four mounting bolts started. Now we're just going to go back through and tighten them up. So starting here in the front, we'll take a combination 10mm, put it on the nut on the back side, and then an 8mm on the bolt to tighten both the front brackets. And then just go ahead and go to the back two bolts with an 8mm and tighten both of those down as well. Okay, so that's how you install the skid plate on the new KTM and Husqvarna 4-stroke models for the 2023s. If you have any questions, give us a call at 517-393-2421 or visit EnduroEng.com.